Hello, morning, 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 St. John. Yes, are you ready to study science? Okay, I hope you already checked your Edmodo and you can find the lesson guide there. In your lesson guide, you can find what are we going to study and what are things that we are going to use today. As you can see in the lesson guide, we're going to study about the function of skeleton, and then we will use the textbook, and you can get the Google slide that I have give the link inside the lesson guide, and also the textbook that you have to read. And at the end of this meeting, you need to do the Edmodo quiz before the science lesson finish. Okay, are you ready to study independently today? Yeah, so today we're going to learn about the functions of skeleton. We know that the skeleton support our body, allow us to move. So if we only have muscles, we can move like jellyfish only, but we don't have the rigid shape and we cannot move firmly. And then it's also protect the inside organ, such as the skull protect the brain and the ribs protect the heart and the lungs. Okay, that's the function of human skeleton. And in your textbook, you also can see on page 57 the function of animal skeleton. Their function will be different based on the animal shape, size, their food, their habitat, and others. That's why, for example, giraffe will have long neck bones so that they can reach the leaves in high trees there. Meanwhile, the kangaroo need to hop, so they will have the strong, large hind legs. Okay, that's the difference between the function of animal skeleton and human skeleton. And then in the Google slide, you also can find 6 functions of human skeleton. So I explain more detail there. Firstly, to support, to protect, to give posture, and then it's also to help us to move, like I have explained just now. And the other 2 that I haven't explained is about the bones also produce red blood cell. So it's very important for human to have bones, especially human, yeah. And also the last function to storage of minerals such as calcium, iron, and potassium. And in your Google slide, you also can find the video about the function of the skeleton. Okay, and I also explain again about the function of the skeleton in the Google slide, and I explain also about the function of animal skeleton, which are again depend on their shape, size, habitat, and also their usual food and others. That's why animals have different shape, size, and number of skeleton, and there is a video also I have attached in the lesson guide and also the Google slide. Okay, student, that's about my explanation. If you have done reading the textbook and then see the Google slide, now it's time for you to open your Edmodo quiz, and you can do it now and make sure you finish it before the science lesson over. Okay, students, that's all for today. Good luck with your job and make sure you're done well for your work today. See you again on Friday. God bless you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.